And now, after the preparation of the surface, we're going to apply some powder, a thin layer of powder, and then we're going to use the super glue. And we're going to saturate the powder as best of our abilities, and as you can see, there is some like smoke coming out. Should not breathe that. That's why it's recommended to be in the well-ventilated room. This, after 10 seconds, will be hard, and you can sand it, you can prime it, you can paint it, you can do whatever the hell you want with it. And I will come with a second layer of powder on it. You can go a little bit more. You can sand it down afterwards. And from my previous repair, the weld, because you can call it like this, it's stronger than the original material. So like I said, 10 seconds for the compound to become rigid and ready for sanding. There is a little bit of excess, as you can see. Shutter speed is not very helpful. Okay. Will be some excess super glue, but this is not an issue to be worried about. Now, we can remove the aluminum tape on the other side completely. Be careful not to glue your hands on, because this will be inconvenient at the end. Actually, you can use only one side, but if you really want for the weld, it's improper called weld, but if you wanted the repair to be strong, you can go on the other side also. This aluminum tape doesn't want to come off. Yeah. Okay, we're ready for the second part of the repair. And now let's apply just to be safe, I will apply the second layer of powder. Make sure that the powder is on an even layer. And liberally apply the super glue. Give it 10 minutes to dry off. 10 seconds to dry off, and you should be ready to go. I need to find this part which is broken and also reattach it. It will be a similar process and will be easy as pie. On the other side, this one already, it's hard and you can really touch it. Here also, it's hardened already. Now, I'll do the sanding, but unfortunately I need to go outside. I cannot sand in the house. Actually I can, but my wife will not be a very happy wife when she comes back, so yeah. So, this is the final product. This needs a little bit more sanding down, but as you can see, almost, I can say better, stronger, as you can see. I'm pleasantly surprised about the quality of the product and how easy it is to fix a piece of ABS plastic, because Kawasaki uses, I don't know if it's possible to see, ABS plastic. I also did previously a reconstruction of this side, which was missing from this area, and this is the interior. And when you sand it down, almost you cannot see the difference between the plastic and the repair part. What can I say? QBond can repair almost any type of plastics. Like I said in the beginning, if by any chance you run out of super glue, you can use any industrial super glue that you can put your hands on. This is one of those. Either Loctite or something else. It's actually cyanoacrylate and will work wonders with the black powder. Hope this helps. And I know this is not the first and will be not the last video on YouTube regarding plastic repair, but since it's my first time with this product, what can I say? Happy customer.